Top 10 instructing facts about geography and miscellaneous. 1. The shortest river in the world is the Roe River in Montana, 201 feet long. 2. Vatican City, the smallest country, is 0.44 square kilometers. 3. The shortest international border is between Peñón de Vélez de la Gomera, Spain, and Morocco, 85 meters. 4. The smell of rain is stronger in deserts due to petrichor buildup. 5. The shortest place name is A, found in Norway and Sweden. 6. The Dead Sea is the lowest point on Earth's surface, 430 meters below sea level. 7. The smell of coffee comes from over 800 volatile compounds. 8. The smell of rain is used in aromatherapy to reduce anxiety. 9. The shortest coastline of any country is Monaco's, at 4.1 kilometers. 10. The smell of rainforests can travel thousands of miles on wind currents. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, friends.